Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone hotspot not working. How this has no internet. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix, open up your control center and then go to the network section. And then once done, toggle on airplane mode right here. And once it says on, wait for about 5 to 10 seconds and then turn it back off. Alright, and then once that's done, check if it works. Now, if that still won't work, if you're trying to share your internet to an older device or an older laptop, sometimes it fails, okay? It fails to route data through the newer 5 GHz Wi-Fi band used by modern iPhones. Now, to go ahead and fix that, go to Settings, tap on it. And then once done, in here, you gotta find Hotspot. If you can't find it, just type it down, okay? Tap on Personal Hotspot. Now in this section, just find Personal Hotspot. Okay, make sure that cellular data is turned on. Tap on Personal Hotspot and here scroll down and just enable Maximize Compatibility. Okay, this forces your phone to broadcast a 2.4 GHz signal, which is highly compatible with older hardware. Now, if that still won't work, let's go ahead and try to check for a carrier settings update. So go ahead and go back to settings right here. Now go ahead and find general, tap on it. Now here we have about, just tap, just wait on the screen for about 15 seconds. Okay. And if an update is available, a pop-up will appear saying carrier settings update. Well, just tap on update. If none, well, you're good to go. Now, if all else fails, let's go ahead and go back right here under general, scroll all the way down. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on reset. Do not tap on erase all content, okay? Just reset. And then here we have reset network settings, and do not worry, this will not delete your photos or videos and files. So enter your PIN and finally tap on reset network settings. And again, this is just a network reset, not a phone reset. And once that's done, everything should work perfectly fine. Now that is how you fix iPhone or iPhone's hotspot not working and no internet. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.